Jones, the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the show where I show you how much spicy stuff I can eat. And you just kind of sit and lay there. You don't move around a lot. You just kind of like hang back and, you know, I just do what I do. Anyways, well, today I've got one that was sent by the nice folks at Nissin. This is their Firewalk spicy molten chili chicken noodle. And thank you to them for shooting this over. I'm trying to something new. I've changed my setup here, so you're not gonna see the bowl here. You're gonna see it from up there. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. And they also sent chopsticks. And I figure I've gotten whined and complained about not using chopsticks so many times. I'll show you that I actually can. I do have a sore finger today though. Sore. I had a finger accident. So yeah, if you want to go back a few episodes of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, you could probably dig it out. And if you do, I will deem you a pretty winner and a beautiful champion. So, let's do the obligatory sip of liquid. This causes me not to get hiccups. All right, well, behind me I have the comedy stylings of Miles and Miriam. Can you guys say hi? Hi! All right. We got the chopsticks. We got the kids.
What kids?
Your kids. Kids. Kids? What was this kids? No, we don't need any of that. All right, can I get a... I don't want to eat with chopsticks. I hate eating with chopsticks. I'll be honest, it's really, really difficult. When you don't eat with chopsticks, generally, especially I don't like these chopsticks. Whining. Papa's whining. This may be the longest mukbang ever. All right. There's just no point. There's no point. Fine. Can I get a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
Molten chili chicken. Out of the gate, my taste buds are very confused. Can you grab me a fork?
Okay.
Do you think you can pull that off? Can you grab a fork out of the drawer in the kitchen? Miles, can you open the gate for Mimi so she can grab me a fork? This is gonna be a test. Hey! Oh wow, I was expecting a Hello Kitty fork. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You don't have to bring me a Hello Kitty fork. Good job, Mimi. High five. One more. Alright. Here, come sit over here. Part of the big show. It's pretty spicy. It's definitely spicier than the other two. Kids love Halloween.
I like Halloween too. And say trick or treat. And knock on the door. And say trick or treat.
Yeah, I can't wait till you can actually do that. That'll be excellent. Hopefully this Halloween you'll be able to go to somebody's door and knock on it and say, give me candy. I think you'll be able to.
I'm going to be a princess.
I'm sure that will be awesome. What kind of princess are you going to be for Halloween? A fairy princess? So what do fairy princesses do?
They fly.
And what else? What kind of life do they have? And what do they do every day?
They walk with their shoes.
Okay.
I don't have standing up shoes. I don't have standing up princess shoes. They're too small.
So do they sit?
No, they're too small.
Do they eat cheese?
No.
Do they like pizza?
No.
Fairy princesses don't like pizza?
No.
Why?
They do like princess.
They like pizza? Oh, okay. That'd be crazy if they didn't. Okay, this one's got more kick.
Look at this. I found this for my balloon. For my Barbie balloon.
Ah, yeah. Oh. This one's spicy. You want to try? You don't have to. It's very spicy. I like that. That was the if I have to look. Man, this is real business right here. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite song? Oh, of course. What is your favorite food?
Strawberries.
What food would you never ever eat?
Strawberries.
You would never eat strawberries?
Yeah.
I thought that was your favorite food.
Yeah.
What about eyeballs? Would you eat eyeballs? Okay, like spiders with eyeballs?
Yeah.
It's spicy, Mimi.
They're climbing.
I see. I see.
The rainbow dash. Here. What better?
Put it on your head. Oh. This is really, really kicking my butt.
Peekaboo.
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 You know how I said after this, if you guys were good, you could have cookies? I think I'll join you. Wow, they did it. I believe, isn't this like the hottest Nissin USA product ever? Do you like potatoes? Are you the princess of potatoes? About.
Somebody is what? Carrying a monster. The Halloween night.
Man. Done. Wow, that kicked my butt. Oh, excuse me. Ah. Do it again, do it again. All right. Well, this one's actually spicy. Yeah. And Mimi has a secret skill. Good job. Alright, this has been Hans, and this has been... And this has been...
Me.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
We did.
Have a good one.